Producing music with sample loops and got Rex format files to import? These are sliced audio loops that adapt to your project's tempo. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these Rex audio loop files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise, a dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like REX. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. A music producer or audio engineer uses .rex files to incorporate tempo-independent audio loops into their projects. These files, created with Recycle or exported from DAWs, contain sliced audio that can be sped up or slowed down without changing pitch, making them highly flexible for music production. A REX2 file is a proprietary container that stores not only the raw audio data, but also metadata about the slices or transient markers within the loop. This design allows a host application to trigger each slice individually, enabling real-time tempo manipulation without the artifacts of traditional time stretching. Windows often defaults to associating REX with the Reason solution from Reason Studios. To access all data streams, audio or video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows can open these audio files, but true editing freedom requires proper DAW software. Your first step towards full access, right-click the REX file and select Open With. If Reason is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. When your REX file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Because your REX file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, importing into DAWs. Most major DAWs support Rex file import natively. In Ableton Live drag Rex files directly to track or simpler. Reason includes the Dr. Rex loop player specifically for Rex files. FL Studio, Cubase Logic Pro, and Studio One all accept Rex files, providing tempo-synchronized loop playback in your projects. Next, opening in Recycle. Use Propellerhead Recycle, the original creation tool for Rex files to view and edit slice points. Recycle allows you to adjust slice timing, modify individual hit volumes, change loop length, and re-export. This is essential for refining Rex loops or creating new ones from your own audio recordings. Finally, converting formats. Convert Rex files to standard WAV format using Recycle's export function or by rendering imported Rex loops in your DAW to audio tracks. The conversion loses slice information but produces standard audio files compatible with any application. Keep original Rex files for tempo flexibility in future projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.